So it's a bit rolly out today. Waves are 3 to 4 feet. The 15-mile/per-hour winds out of the southwest. But it's great sailing. I got 2 reefs in the mainsail.